Good afternoon, students. So this is exercise 4.1 that we are going to do today. So it is based on multiplication. So you have to write first in your notebook today's date, then heading exercise 4.1 and multiply. Then you have to start multiply. So here you have two questions on your screen. So let's try to solve this. So first we have to multiply the numbers which are present at ones place. So the number which is present at ones place is 3. So 3 multiplied by 3 is equals to 9. Okay. Now again we have to multiply the tens place number, and at tens place the number is 1. So 1 multiplied by 3. So 1 threes are 3. Now after multiplying ones and tens place, which place is left? Hundreds. Now we have to multiply hundreds place. So at hundreds place the number is 2. So 2 multiplied by 3. 2 threes are 6. So after multiplying ones, tens and hundreds place with 3, the answer that we obtained is 639. I hope it is clear. So let's proceed to question number 2 now. Now in question number 2, again first we have to multiply the ones place, and at ones place the number is 2. So 2 multiplied by 4 is equals to 8. 2 fours are 8. Now we have to multiply the tens place, and at tens place we can see the number is 1. The number is 1. So 1 multiplied by 4. So 1 fours are 4. 1 fours are 4. Now which is left? Hundreds place is left. So at hundreds place the number is 2. So 2 multiplied by 4. 2 fours are 8. So after multiplying 212 by 4, the answer that we got is 848. I hope it is clear. Now let's proceed to question number 3. Okay, let's start. So here at ones place the number is 0. So 0 multiplied by 2 equals to 0. Because we have already learned in the properties of multiplication that any number is multiplied by 0, then the answer that we got is 0. Now we have to multiply the number which is present at tens place, and at tens place the number is 2. So 2 multiplied by 2. 2 twos are 4. Now at hundreds place the number is 4. So 4 multiplied by 2. 4 twos are 8. So the answer that we got after multiplying 420 by 2 is 840. Now see question number 4. In question number 4, 3231 multiplied by 3. Again we have to start from ones place. So at ones place the number is 1. So 1 multiplied by 3. 1 threes are 3. Now at tens place the number is 3. So 3 multiplied by 3. 3 threes are 9. At hundreds place the number is 2. 2 threes are 6. And at thousands the number is 3. So 3 threes are 9. 3 threes are 9. So after multiplying 3231 by 3, the answer that we got is 9693. Next in question number 5. So in question number 5, 2314 multiplied by 2. So again we have to start from ones place, and at ones place the number is 4. So 4 multiplied by 2. 4 twos are 8. Then tens. At tens place the number is 1. So 1 multiplied by 2. 1 twos are 2. And at hundreds place the number is 3. So 3 twos are 6. and at thousand place the number is 2. So 2 2s are 4. Okay. Now in question number 6, the number which is at present at ones place, that is 3. So 3 2s are 6. At tens place the number is 2. So 2 2s are 4. At hundreds the number is 3. So 3 2s are 6. At thousand place the number is 4. So 4 2s are 8. Now 2 more are left that we are going to solve. Okay, so now at ones place the number is 2. So 2 multiplied by 3, 2 3s are 6. Now at tens place the number is 3. So 3 multiplied by 3, so 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. Now at thousand place the number is 1. So 1 3s are 3. 1 3s are 3. Okay, now question number 8. Again at ones place the number is 4. So 4 2s are 8. Now at tens place the number is 1. So 1 2s are 2. Now at hundreds place the number is 0. So 0 2s are 0. And at thousand place the number is 3. So 3 2s are 6. Okay. I hope you understood how you have to multiply. Thanks for watching this.